Welcome back to another episode of Wilson's Watery World. Today we're on the Sunshine Coast in Kawana, and we've just been walking along a lake, and then we saw that there were a lot of fish in there. So now we've set up and we'll see how we go. Hey, so we just hooked up to something. I just cast this out a second ago. Oh, what is it?
Was this a live bait or was
this
this
was
something, the cut up bait?
The cut up one. Look, in the water.
Oh wow! Wait, this is gonna go in your video.
Yeah.
Should probably stop talking. That's crazy. It's quite big as well. Do you want the bucket?
No, it's okay. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yes, just in the side of the mouth too. It's so good. It's okay, sorry. Oopsies. It's a good sized bream. Alright, let's go.
Is this going in your video too?
Oh, no tab. And I think we got something else. Might just do a little Moses perch again, but it's a flathead. Oh. Oh.
Did that guy give you the thing?
Give me the what? Oh, this thing?
Yeah.
This is mine. Hey guys, this is Cody, 55 centimeter flathead on some dead herring. He's a little legend.
Alright, let's go let him go, hey? And now we can go and have some dinner.
Oh, Moses perch, I think. Oh, is it a little mangrove jack? Yeah, it's Moses perch.
Be careful.
Doesn't drop. There we go. Little Moses perch. Yeah. There it is. Off he goes. Slimy. What will it be? Here's a little Moses perch. Alright. Do we have the measurer? No, we don't. Where's the measure over there? Another Moses perch back into the drink.